everyone. Today we're going to be swapping out this connector. As can happen on these older cars, these things deteriorate, end up cracking, may not seal right. This thing is busted on there, so I picked up a new connector kit from iWire. If I'm doing any electrical work on this, disconnecting sensors or unplugging stuff, I like to disconnect the ground. So we'll go ahead and just pop this off real quick. Right up. Let's try with this. Insert this plug in the empty slot. Just go in there like so. Obviously, I like to take pictures whenever I'm deep pinning a connector, so I know the orientation, exactly where the wires are going to go in case I get crossed up. You look down in there, it's got these little tabs holding it in place. You're going to want to get under there and then just gently pull on the wire. There we go. So that'll pull it right out. Get that under there. And should just be able to slide them right back into place. You'll hear a click. Same with this one. It's nice and easy, it's going in, so you know it's right. Slide in this locking tab. Go in just like that. Presses right in. Go ahead and plug this back in. And now we'll know it's locked in for good. Nice and tight. There we go. So I had some work done on this while I've been working on other stuff. This is my daily driver, so I wanted to get it back up and running as fast as possible. I had the same company, Metro Performance of Southern California, go ahead and put on a new turbo, and that's an FP Blue. They went ahead and did a side feed to top feed conversion, a new Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, and I went with the ID 1300 injectors down there. I want to go ahead and swap out all those stock parts because this thing's got 180,000 and I'd rather not have an injector clog up or turbo blow up and ruin this whole new motor. So went ahead and had them do that. Got the car back. Made I think 306 wheel horsepower and 312 foot-pounds of torque, and that's on 91. Within the next year or so, I'm thinking I'm going to run E85, which is why I went with the 1300 injectors, and we'll see what kind of power the ethanol will get us. But for now, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope this helps you out.